Good morning. We're all here. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we, man?
We're in Chulilla. Chulilla? And we're about to rig up a Highline.
That's exactly what we're doing. Got the gear, got everything ready. We need to start moving over to the spot. We got up nice and early, but we're still here because we like to chill. See, I've only got my GoPro. Tan's cam's out of action, so we'll probably just see what clips we can get.
We've got a GoPro. Go on in.
Got lots of GoPros. Got the tan pad.
Tan pad.
That sounds a bit weird. So we might use that for most of the clips. The Movano died. Now we've got an outdoor kitchen rather than an indoor kitchen. It's a lot cooler in the mornings, but it's also a lot cooler in the summer.
Up and out.
Yeah, well, I guess go up now. I can still lie there and just stir the porridge from bed.
There we go, there we go.
It's all good then.
Hope you enjoy the video.
Traumatik. Dr. Dimensional.
Westion Productions.
Intergalactic frequencies. Don't just love the life you live. You should live the life you love. Because these powers in control, they've been hypnotizing us. The human race as one is strong, that's why them pricks divide us up. Don't let them negative energies drag you down, be quick to rise above. You should live the life you love. Don't just love the life you live.
Got it. This is the rig. It's a bit of a funny one. Good job this fixed rope, so makes it a little bit more safe. Victor's gone first. It is just like a 4, it's an easy climb, but yeah, better with the rope, I agree, that's for sure.
Insights, I'm choosing love and I'm choosing light. Not wrong, this human's right. And when it's human rights, I'm giving them true insights.
Drone's coming over now with the tag light. Made our job a lot easier, thanks to Ruben.
It's damaging physically. Just imagine a misery. I've got this savage ability.
Atrapa también, ponme esa van. Feliz más. Vale, fora. Fora. Conexión hecho. So here we are. We're nearly there. We're gonna start sending the first line over soon. But yeah, this is complicated, and we don't have everything we need. We're doing it with minimal gear. But we've managed to figure it out. We're gonna send this Cordino over. This line over with another Cordino attached to it, and then send this Cordino back with that Cordino, and then take it over there, and then rig the other line, which you have only one spanner for tightening up bolts, and we didn't want to tie up those bolts before we came over here to see exactly where the reunions are, so they work perfectly straight. But yeah, lots of shit's going on, but hopefully shortly we'll have a line rigged. Woo.
This war on consciousness happening is a gruesome fight. It's gruesome, but I'm not losing sight. I'm choosing love and I'm choosing light. I'm not wrong, this human's right. And when it's human rights, I'm giving them true insights, cause humans ain't got human rights. Dark forces and malevolent spirits, I leave them all dead and diminished. Die, you bastard. Embrace your powers and don't look back, don't ever be timid. Never. I give them intelligent lyrics. Yes. I'm reaching incredible limits. Yes. Just truth, no terrible gimmicks, with facts and knowledge and evidence with it. When I research relevant physics, I see things ever so vivid. Just leave me be with some CBD, cause I don't do medical visits. No joke, I'm a hell of a critic. My cheese and lemon is wicked. It smells so venomous in it. It's 10 out of 10 out of 10, it's terrific. This war on consciousness happening is a gruesome fight. It's gruesome, but I'm not losing sight. I'm choosing love and I'm choosing light. Not wrong, this human's right. And when it's human rights, I'm giving them true insights, cause humans ain't got human rights.
Again, day 2. Managed to get both lines up yesterday. Last night it rained quite a bit, got my waterproofs on, learnt from my Spino, being hella soaked from taking down lines in the rain.
There's someone there.
Tan's nice and wet.
You've got it upside down.
You've got it upside down.
Oh no, it's not. Is it? It is.
It is upside down, but it's only because I started recording with it upside down, so it switches itself around. So I don't know, yeah, it might be a bit spinny, but yeah. Day 2, rainy days. one line's down. Victor's got to go home. Tat's still on the line. But yeah, because it's soaking wet, motivation levels are going down. But hopefully later on it might dry up a bit. Maybe not. But yeah, we'll have to see what happens. How was that?
Okay.
Yeah? You look nice and soggy.
I had one little nice walk
Yeah?
over that way.
What, facing the other way?
Yeah. You can kind of feel yourself pushing it down a bit more, I guess, as you're going up.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
But then obviously getting up is trickier and it's like quite slippery. Like my foot is ready to go off.
Nah, you did really well, especially in these conditions. Like, it's super soggy. It's hard to stay motivated. Look at that crowd. Gone. Gone, line gone, crowd's gone. But yeah, I'm still hopeful. I guess I think we're gonna go down and have some lunch now. And hopefully the rain will die down for later on, but if not, I'll probably still get on for a little sesh. See? Still a bit shitty, the weather. But there's gaps in the clouds. Fingers crossed. As it's getting pretty soggy and we want to dry off already. And if we don't, we're probably going to have to go. So make or break today. That's what we want!
Yeah. This one goes out to all the dreamers, all them deep thinking sleepers. Yeah. I sleep best with my rapid eye movement after candlelight boozing, having daymares at night time, laying on the sofa snoozing. My life seems drawn out like characters and manga's movements. With these 8 hours, 8 dreams, I bunzoos but hate green. I'm uncouth, not mainstream, I'm stumbling like bait thieves. I got the hazy, crazy dreams, baby, I was born with these. No way was it plain to see, I make these dreams seem full truth or make believe. And zoom to the sky, you and I, we get high with our wings made from bay leaves, singing like an Irish drunk, fucked up on Baileys. We live the state like George Best, and now I'm gonna getting chased by a phantom monster, gripping at the steering wheel, tighter than an anaconda, striding for the goal at the hand of up a Maradona. Yo, striding for the goal at the hand of up a Maradona. I'm on the scene, yo, you best believe, yo, it's big flips, riding Mars in my dream boat. I'm on the scene, yo, drip through my weed smoke, it's Fliptrix in my Technicolor dream coat. I'm on the scene, yo, you best believe, yo, it's big flips, riding Mars in my dream boat. I'm on the scene, yo, drip through my weed smoke, it's Fliptrix in my Technicolor dream. Yo, got flip dreams, bang, 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 guns go bang on Baghdad's baddest corner, bandana man got me prang captain out of order. So I flip dreams, bang, 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 now we're in the courts of law and order. For a frauded drowning murder, all my ears heard was murder. So I flip the dream sorta like a £1/4 burger. So scared my face got distorted like the rawest Gurner. But now I'm in the jungle, and I huddle with the serpents, don't muddle with the earthlings, I bubble with the bumblebees and chuckle with the birdies. Looking so bad, my worst nightmare couldn't hurt me, I'm set to win. No trace of cuts, but I bleed deep within, kinda like a chips and scarabs when they stop beneath your skin. See, negative dreams get me vexy, so girls, here this next one is sexy. So I'm feeling
Keep walking. You got one more tape. Yes, there you go. Look at that control. Yeah, you're fine, don't worry. It just feels wobbly, but it's not going to move any more than it is, you know what I mean?
Good.
Fucking bossed it, T. Seriously. You look like a pro. Go on, give me some of this.
On the scene, yo, just through my weed smoke, it's Fliptrix in my Technicolor dream coat. Yeah, Fliptrix.